Welcome to the last day of the Less Is Now challenge, January 31st, day 31. We have to get rid of 31 items from the house, and this is the stuff we found in the house that needs a new home. First, we have a heavy metal magazine, boyfriend stuff. It's like a comic book. He no longer wants it. I have a good book called 101 Ways to Go Zero Waste by Catherine Kellogg. She even has a YouTube channel called Going Zero Waste. And this is a really good book. And it's all listed in point form, depending on what subject you're looking for. And there's even recipes in it. It's actually a really good book. And I read it. I copied the recipe I wanted to keep out of it. And now I'm going to give it to someone else. We have 2 toy eggs again. The son keeps going through his stuff and finding these eggs. Little dinosaurs came in it. It was a Happy Meal toy from McDonald's. And oh boy, can you imagine how many millions of toys McDonald's made? Or billions? We have a... what do you call that? Plug socket. Doesn't work. Something wrong with it. I have a magnet for the town of Longueuil. The guy gave it to me. Don't really need that. We have a notepad that's completely finished. I used all the papers on it. So you have plastic, metal rivets, and material. So what I would do is I'll pull this off. Okay, so this is garbage. I will take out the metal pieces. Those can be recycled. And I will take off the metal rings. So these can now be thrown into the recycling, as well as the metal pieces. So your only garbage is going to be the elastic that you can't really do anything with. Next we have another snack bag. This is a Pokemon zippered snack bag that I had made for my son. And I bought it from somebody who makes really cool stuff. But we're finding that we're not using it anymore. The next thing I have is bookmarks. My boyfriend has had these bookmarks for over 25 years. At least. We found them hidden in books in his stuff. Found another one of these clip magnet things. So those are going to go because we don't use them too many. I have some tea. I was given some tea, but I'm really not a fan of these flavors. I'm going to find new homes for them. I'm going to put them on the free group. Someone's going to take them for, right away. Because last time I had tea I didn't like, someone took them immediately. We have a Duo pizza flyer from our local pizza place that's not far from us. Even though I asked for no papers, no flyers, no stuff, they gave it to me. And then we found all these random pieces of paper that were in the son's room that he no longer wants. And there's a whole bunch of them. So that's going to count as well. These we can cut up in little pieces and put in the compost, or you can put them in the recycling. Okay, we left off at 28 items. Here's a little clock to make it 29. Doesn't really stand up. It's supposed to stand up, but it doesn't. We have a little dice to make it 29. and an empty Tic Tac container to make it 31. And I'm counting wrong again. I'm going to tell you something about this video, what I've done. So it was 28, 29, 30, 31. That concludes our Less Is Now challenge. And now you're all going to laugh at me because I've been trying to record this video for like 10 minutes because I'm saying everything wrong. And it's just one of those days. And what happened was I actually videotaped day 25 twice. So yeah, I got rid of 25 items twice. And when I went and checked my videos, I didn't understand why I had saved day 25 twice. So I had to go back and watch it again and realize that day 25, the one you're going to see before this one, like attached to this one in the beginning, it was actually 28 items with all those papers. So these three make it 31. So that's it. The challenge is done. It's over. I did it. And if you follow the entire challenge, you get rid of 496 items. And that is how much left my house. And if you want to be picky about it, when you go watch the other videos, you'll see like I had 246 of those custom forms from the post office. So really more than 496 items were gone. But we did it. Did you guys do it? How hard was it? Did you find crazy things in your house? I'm telling you, man, I found stuff in my house I didn't even know I had. I didn't even know where it came from. Well, that's it. That's all. We're done.